My name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2016 Manitou Oasis. It's a 22-foot pontoon. Here in the rear, we have two fishing chairs, rod storage. Got a live well under here, which you'll see in the pictures. More storage under the bottom compartment. Inside you got a table mount spot. Nice loungers here in the back. Couple loungers in the front. Got a sound system. You got storage under the helm. A Jensen head unit. Got courtesy lighting in this pontoon. Nice blue lighting under the seat bases. And again, this boat does come with a trailer. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.